Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most incredible destinations around the world. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to Brazil, a country known for its vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and warm-hearted people. Join us as we count down the top 10 amazing places to visit in Brazil. Number 10, Rio de Janeiro, Sugarloaf Mountain. Our first stop is the iconic city of Rio de Janeiro. With its stunning beaches, towering mountains, and vibrant carnival celebrations, Rio is a must-visit destination. Make sure to take a cable car ride to the top of Sugarloaf Mountain, where you'll be rewarded with panoramic views that will leave you speechless. Number 9, Iguazu Falls. Next on our list is the mesmerizing Iguazu Falls, located on the border between Brazil and Argentina. This natural wonder consists of 275 waterfalls, creating a spectacle of thundering cascades and misty rainbows. Get ready to be soaked by the sheer power and beauty of this breathtaking sight. Number 8, Amazon Rainforest. From waterfalls to the Amazon rainforest, our next destination is a true paradise for nature lovers. The Amazon is home to an incredible variety of wildlife and plants, and you can explore it by taking a boat ride along the mighty Amazon River or embarking on a guided trek through the dense jungle. Number 7, Salvador. As we continue our journey, we arrive at Salvador, the capital of Bahia. This city is a vibrant hub of Afro-Brazilian culture, with its colorful colonial architecture, lively music, and delicious cuisine. Don't miss the chance to immerse yourself in the energetic rhythms of capoeira and experience the warmth of Bahian hospitality. Number 6, Pantanal. Heading south, we come across the magnificent Pantanal, one of the world's largest wetland areas. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a wildlife enthusiast stream, offering incredible opportunities for wildlife spotting. Get ready to encounter jaguars, caimans, giant anteaters, and a myriad of bird species in their natural habitat. Number 5, Chapada dos Veadeiros. Now, let's dive into the natural beauty of Chapada dos Veadeiros. Located in the heart of Brazil, this national park is known for its stunning waterfalls, crystal-clear pools, and unique rock formations. Hiking through this enchanting landscape will make you feel like you've stepped into a surreal wonderland. Number 4, Ouro Preto. If you're a fan of vibrant colors and colonial architecture, the historic town of Ouro Preto is a must-visit. Nestled among the mountains of Minas Gerais, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of Baroque churches, cobblestone streets, and art museums that showcase Brazil's rich history. Number 3, Fernando de Noronha. Our journey continues to the stunning archipelago of Fernando de Noronha, located off the northeastern coast of Brazil. With its crystal-clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and diverse marine life, this paradise is a haven for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Get ready to swim alongside sea turtles, dolphins, and colorful tropical fish.
Number 2, Paraty.
Moving on, we reach the charming city of Paraty, famous for its well-preserved colonial architecture and tranquil coastal setting. Explore the cobblestone streets lined with colorful houses, visit art galleries and local boutiques, and take a boat tour around the nearby islands for a truly unforgettable experience.
Number 1, Lençóis Maranhenses. Last, but certainly not least, we arrive at the awe-inspiring landscapes of Lençóis Maranhenses National Park. This unique desert-like region is characterized by its sweeping sand dunes and crystal-clear lagoons. The contrasting colors and vastness of this place create an otherworldly atmosphere that will leave you in awe. And that concludes our journey through the best 10 amazing places to visit in Brazil. From the lively streets of Rio de Janeiro to the pristine beauty of Lençóis Maranhenses, Brazil offers an abundance of incredible destinations that will captivate your heart and soul. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. And remember, adventure awaits around every corner, so keep exploring.